So you guys have now officially seen that we are having
a girl! We're having a little girl.
We're having a little baby girl.
Another girl, actually. We're having
we
our
already
second
have
little girl.
A little girl. Parker's gonna be outnumbered by 3-1 now.
Yeah.
So I didn't really know what to do for like a gender reveal on this channel because we have a vlog channel together, but I know not everybody watches there. So I wanted to do just like a short little video letting you guys know that it's a girl. And if you guys want to see us finding out, I will link that video down below. If you want to see the gender reveal party we did with our family, I will link that down below. Those are actually separate videos because I could not wait, and we opened the envelope early, which was so fun. I thought that I could make it. We had to wait like a week in between getting the envelope and the party. You're kicking the camera.
Sorry.
It was too long, guys. I literally lasted like not even 24 hours, but it was so fun to just open it with us. Like, I just feel like I'm so happy and excited, and I'm so excited that we're having a little baby. At the beginning of my pregnancy, I was like, okay, I feel like maybe it's a boy. Then as time went on, I started thinking it was a girl. You thought it was a boy the entire time?
I thought it was a boy. I was pretty confident that it was gonna be a boy.
Were you really?
Yeah,
I feel like we thought what we thought kind of for like the same reason. Like, all the signs were pointing to girl. So that's why I was thinking girl, and I feel like you thought that because they were all pointing to girl, it was gonna be a boy. It was so fun that we like found out together, and then we did the little party for our family and our friends. Then we did the little video shoot that you guys just saw where we did the smoke bombs, which was really fun, besides when you got burned.
Oh yeah. Do
you still have a mark? I think I cut that part out.
You cut it out?
I'll have to put it in.
I have a
Where
mark.
is it? Anyways, I just wanted to make a short little video right now telling you guys that it's a girl. But what do you have to say? You're gonna be a daddy to a little baby girl.
I know. I'm so beyond excited, but it's scary.
Yeah, but it's gonna be so fun. It's gonna be so crazy. I just filmed a first trimester update, so you guys are gonna see that. Posting this on Thursday, and then that will be up on Sunday. Why do you have to be so crazy every time we turn on the camera? Say, I'm gonna be a big sister. Well guys, that is all for this video. Keeping it super short and simple. So again, if you guys want to see any of the other footage I talked about, I will have that linked down below. But that is all for today. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. I'm gonna do that, darling Palooza.